Do you know about the facts of green tea? How green tea is formed. Only the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant are used to produce green tea, commonly referred to as unoxidized tea. To keep the leaves green color and avoid oxidation, they are picked, slightly wilted, and then prepared right away. What is the best time to take green tea? After breakfast. 2 hours before and after meals. After an hour before exercise to burn fat. Whole day as a detox water. Burn fat. Make you smarter. Lifelong. Improve eyesight. Makes you happy. Low the cholesterol. Low the blood sugar. Improve the mood. Don't take too much green tea. It may be cause iron deficiency, liver damage, thyroid cancer, low the blood clotting, headache vomiting. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, like, subscribe and share with your loved ones.